This video is just some additional practice on making a Venn diagram. This is an application problem from an old IB test. Pretty standard steps that they follow. So I'm just want to take you through it as extra help. If you want to do this problem, try to do the problem without my help. Just pause it right now and then work through the problem, and then keep going through as we get to those points. So I'm going to work through it piece by piece here a little bit. Okay, so there's a club with 60 members. Everyone attends on Tuesday for drama or Thursday for sports, or on both days. So we're looking at a Venn diagram with two circles. One week it was found that 48 members attend drama and 44 attend for sports, and X members attend for both. Okay, so key here, after you make your Venn diagram, by the way, that box around the outside, important. If it's a longer IB question, you lose a point there. So the outside are universal set, you call it club members or whatever, and then we have two circles, not the best circle. Quarters work too if you'd rather make a nice perfect circle that's going to bug you. Okay, so then what I would do is label both of those. So we have the drama and we have the sports. I'm going to make my S like that. Okay, so now there are total, we know the number in the club is 60. That's important to always note, because usually you'll have to go back to using that number at the end. Okay, so what do we know? We know that 48 people attend for drama. And notice it doesn't say drama only, so you can't put it here. That's the whole circle drama. So when I write my information, I always write, if I know the whole circle, I write it next to that letter. And so 44 attend for sports. You're getting a commercial. So now I can read the information and see what else can I put in here. Well, 1 week is found 48 members. X members attend both. So right there is X. So I want to be able to fill in these other spaces. Well, if the whole circle is 48, then this portion of the circle is 48 minus X. And the whole circle here is 44. This would be 44 minus X. So they haven't really asked us any questions. We're just labeling. Find the number of members who attend for both drama and sports. And so we're talking about, they want us to find X. So a little bit of thinking here and what we know. If you go back to the original part here, it says everyone attends either on Tuesday for drama or Thursday for sports, or both. So there aren't any people out here in this outside area. So this whole thing, 48 minus X plus 44 minus X, has to add up to 60. There are 60 people. And this should make sense right here. If you're counting this whole circle as 48, then you're left with 44 minus X. So 48 plus 44 minus X equals 60. This is 92, so I'm going to subtract 92 from both sides. X equals 32. So I always want to go back to my picture and put it back on there. Now it says draw and label, so that was your point problem. So if this is an IB question, you'd leave it like that, but I'm going to put it on here so you can see where it's at. So what do I know? X is 32, 44 minus 32 is 12. 48 minus 32 is 16. It's worth it to make sure that you know how many of each kind are, or how many of each one. So this, before I even read the next part of the question, this means 16 people went to only drama, 12 people went to only sports. So that may come up later on in the question. Let's keep going, I'm not sure. Describe in words the set represented by D intersect S complement. So again, I'm going to show you a little shading. D intersect S is this inside amount right here. So to describe this in words, D intersect S complement would be, this would just be someone who is only in a sport or in drama, but not both. You could say complement, but they want to know in words. They usually want you to describe back to your specific set. So this would be the person that's in drama or in sports, but not both, would be the complement. What's the probability that a member selected at random attends for drama only or sports only, which is what they were getting at right here. Drama only is 16. Sports only is 12. Okay, a person selected at random, so that's 16 plus 12 out of our total, which was 60 people in the group. You want to be on camera, you can come on in. This is only 5th period. I won't say on the video who just came in my room on the wrong class period, but she's a senior. So this is 28 out of 60. You can reduce it or leave it like it is. Okay? Keep on going. This is a long IB question. The club has 28 females, 8 of who attend for both drama and sports. What's the probability that a member of the club selected at random is female and attends drama, or male and attends? Okay, so we have a little more information. I'm not quite ready to do that one yet. We have to add some probability important information. Now we're going to get all the local information. So let's look at the mark scheme. So 3 points. 1, 2, 1 point for the correct diagram, 1 point for the correct position, and then 1 point for either one of those correct positions. Equation, notice you get 1 method point for that equation, or you could simplify and getting x equals 32. So you get M1A1 there. The set of members who did not attend for both drama and sports or equivalent. So what we said was drama or sports, but not both. That is the key right there. And then we have probability, which will come along a little bit later, but it was 28 out of 60. Notice showing your methods, M1, M1, A1. On these longer questions, you want to show all that stuff. Ignore this part right now because we haven't done the probability to know how to complete that accurately. Okay? So there's just a little extra Venn diagram help with plenty of interruptions.